Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we will see how to find which PG course and medical college you have chance to get for your NEET PG rank. If you are new to this channel and looking for PG admission, install MBBS Council Android app. It contains everything you need to know to predict and rank medical colleges for your NEET rank. You can check which PG courses and medical college you have chance to get through All India quota by using MBBS Council app College Predictor facility. Under the NEET PG section of the MBBS Council app, you can find the College Predictor menu. Click to get the predictor screen. You can predict courses and college through All India quota, Deemed University Management quota and NRI quota. Select the quota you want to predict. I am going to select All India quota for now. Then select the course. MD, MS and DNB courses will be listed for you to pick. After selecting the quota and course, you should enter your NEET PG All India rank and click Predict Colleges button to get the list of colleges you have chance to get for your NEET rank based on the last year allotment details. You will get list of colleges after clicking the Predict Colleges button. If you get empty results, then try in some other quota or some other course. If you are on premium subscription plan, you will be able to see all the medical colleges in which you have chance to get. Otherwise, you will see 3 best colleges for your NEET score depending on the quota you are selecting. The college result list contains the state in which the college is located, type of the college, whether it is government or private, counseling round, quota, course, All India rank cutoff and score cutoff. The details given here in this list may not be sufficient for you to do the choice filling. To know the tuition fees for a particular college and course, simply click the college to see the details. This will take you to the college details page for that medical college. You can find tuition fees as well as key factors such as average patient flow, total beds, number of super specialty courses, monthly stipend, etc. This information will help you during choice filling to put the best medical college on top of your preference list. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you face any issue while predicting course or college, contact Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.